Ka district administration jong ka East Giant Hills, kala Pynpra yang nyau Tylli na ki khatway Tylli ki kok plan, ki bom don bor, kat kum ki kendon ka jinyada ya ka mariang, bat ki hukum ka yeng bishar. U Deputy Commissioner U Shivansh Awasthi, u laong ba ka kinhon jinya Trai lang jong ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board, bat ka Police Department kala le ya kani ka kam, haka khatlai tarik u no pra hadien ba amsham la yo jinya ram na ki try plan. Naki khandoi Tylli ki kok plan, ki brala ba kim don bor, san Tylli la Pynpra minshwa, kat ba ki South Tylli ni ki khatway Tylli, la Pynpra ki try jong ki. Menta baro ki khatway Tylli ki kok plan, ki bom tray kam show ong u Deputy Commissioner.
So, as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, joint team under the supervision of SDO Manish Kumar, members from Pollution Control Board and Police Department were given directions to undertake the demolition of all unauthorized coke plants in the district. So, in total, there were 16 coke plants that were identified who have set up coke plants in the district, but they have not taken necessary authorization as per the norms and criteria as laid down by the government notification. Out of these 16 coke plants, 5 have been demolished earlier. The remaining 11, we had issued a notice to them in the month of October to submit a compliance whether they have obtained the necessary permissions for regularization. And since no reply was received from these coke plants, hence as per the directions of Honorable High Court of Meghalaya, the direction was given to these teams to undertake the demolition of these 11 unauthorized coke plants in East Gentia Hills district. So these teams started their work from Saturday onwards, and as on date they have undertaken the demolition of 7 out of 11 coke plants. And for the remaining 4 coke plants, when they visited their site, they observed that they have already been demolished by the respective owners. So in total, all 11 coke plants that were unauthorized are now not in operation.